and welcome to YenTeach Channel. So for today's video, I will teach you how to create or how to make a YouTube thumbnail using PowerPoint. So we will proceed now. Go to your PowerPoint. So if you did not see it in your desktop, go to your search bar and then type PowerPoint. Okay, so you may use other version to create or come up in creating YouTube thumbnail. So here, change the layout and then go to design tab, click format background. So you may choose gradient fill. There are so many choices here in order for you to come up a thumbnail. You may also add picture for adding a picture using your download files, or you may search through online. So say for example this one, we will add background, then click insert. Okay, or you may use hide background effects, pattern fill. So for me, I will just use solid fill. So and then I will choose the color, so I choose black and then go back to insert tab and then click text box or insert text box. So as you can see, we already have a text box, so we will just choose the color into white, the text color, in order for you to see the text here. So how to make a YouTube thumbnail using PowerPoint. So here we will change our font style, so you may choose your own font style or design. So for me, I will just use this one. Okay, so after that, I will just take color of this color. Okay, to emphasize. Then I will just delete this one, PowerPoint. Later on, you will see what I'm going to do. So change this one, make it bigger. Next is add some pictures or icons in order for you to make your YouTube thumbnail more appeal to your viewer. Okay, so I'll just add this one, this icon, YouTube icon here. So we'll just enter this one, text, then add this icon. So after adding this icon, we'll add a PowerPoint icon here, so in order for them to see what icon or apps you are using in creating a thumbnail. So this one. And make it smaller. Okay, so and then we will add a thumbnail, capture of our thumbnail in our YouTube channel. So here, this is it. And make it small. Okay, so here, and then make it bigger. Okay. So after making this one, go to File and then click Save As, and then save it in the place where you wanted to see it. So here, I will change it YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and then change the extension into JPEG. You may use other file extension like PNG or the tag image file format, but for me, I will just use JPEG. And then click save, and then choose just this one. So we will see it, the result. Then we will go to the place and then check our work. So here. So this is the result of our YouTube thumbnail. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.